In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave.video editor. First, open your browser and head to the Wave.video dashboard, then go to the My Projects area. This is your home base for everything you've created or imported. If it's your first time here, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and the goal is to get you into an edit quickly. From My Projects, you have two choices: upload a new video or pick one of your recent videos. If you're uploading, choose a high-quality source file to get the best results after editing. Give the upload a moment to process. Larger files can take a bit longer. If you already see your project in the recent list, simply select it. A quick tip: naming your files clearly helps you find them faster later. Next, click on the video you want to work with. This opens the project view so you can take action on it. You'll see details about the file and options that relate specifically to this project. Now click on Edit Video. This launches the editor interface where you'll spend most of your time. It may take a second to load depending on your connection and the size of the video. Once you're in the editor, you can start shaping your content. On the left side, you'll see the core tools. Use resize to change your aspect ratio for different platforms. Think horizontal for YouTube, square for feeds, and vertical for stories and shorts. Layouts help you arrange elements on screen, which is especially useful if you're combining clips, adding intros and outros, or framing a screen recording nicely. Add text for titles, lower thirds, or captions. Keep it readable with clear fonts and enough contrast. Overlays let you place graphics or subtle accents on top of your video. Logos, shapes, or highlights that guide the viewer's eye. As you work, preview your changes often to make sure everything looks consistent. If something doesn't land, use undo to step back. Small adjustments like tightening spacing, aligning elements, or tweaking color choices go a long way in making your video feel polished. When you're happy with the result, it's time to publish to finalize. Click Publish and choose the settings that best fit your destination. Matching your publish resolution to your original footage helps maintain quality, and picking an aspect ratio that suits your platform ensures the video displays correctly. If you plan to share across multiple channels, consider exporting separate versions tailored to each format. Let the render complete, then download or share directly from the platform. And that's it. You've gone from project selection to editing and publishing inside Wave.video, ready to share a clean professional result.